Right, so now we're going to start with the drawing right now. Okay, so a standard step for any interior design or architectural drawing, right? What we must start or begin with a grid line. All right, any drawing, any architecture drawing, floor plan must begin with grid lines. Right, so first thing what I have to do is change our layer here into a grid line. All right, okay, and then press line and just create a straight line to the top here. Press spacebar. There you are, the line. Right. So we're going to create a simple floor plan. Right. So offset the grid line into 3000. And then another 3000. All right. So somehow actually the line is quite small actually. About this size. Okay. And then create horizontal line for this size and offset 3000 to the top, and under offset is only 1500 and offset 1500 in between. So you have in between here, offset down here. So we're going to do, we're going to create a simple residential building, compact living building with with living room, with a bedroom, kitchen, and also a toilet here. All right. So look at this. So as you can see that we have an access line here. Right? You can actually trim or cut, but I'm going to use stretch here. Click stretch and select the line using cross selection, spacebar, and move it down. All right. Okay, there you are. So this is grid lines, right? So as you can see, the grid line here, actually the line type is too small. Does not appear as that, right? So what can we do? We need to change the LT scale. So type in LT scale, and maybe you can try to change into 10. Maybe try first. Right, 10 is small. 50. All right, there you are. Okay, so we have the line type here. Okay, the next step is to draw the grid head. Right, to draw the grid head, what can you do? Just select a circle here, then click at the end of the line here. Right, so radius will be about 300. Right, so when you have that, move the circle to the end of the line. All right, so this is what we call as grid head. So any architectural drawing, they will have a grid head here, but whatever grid head will not have a line type, long dash, short dash like this. The grid head usually just a normal line. So if you want to change the line here, customly only to a certain line, you can just click the line here and right click and go to the properties. All right. Okay, there you are. You got this. Right. So we have a line here by layer. Right. This is a line type. So click the line type here. Instead of by layers, just select continuous. All right. And done. So as you can see, even though the layer is actually using a long dash, short dash line type, but then the grid head is just a continuous line. Right. So once we have this, right, we can apply tags into the grid head. Right. So let's do the tags. Select the tags. So make sure I turn off the snap. Right, and press A. Highlight the text. Okay, highlight. You need to highlight the text, huh? And then key in 300. Once key in, press enter, and there you are. Right. It's okay if it is look slightly big here, right? But most important, after you select the close here, right? Then you should get your correct text size. And make sure the text is in the middle here. Okay, so that's it. So now we're going to copy all this grid to the grid head to all grid. So press copy, right? Spacebar, and then turn on the object snap by pressing F3. Okay, so insertion point at the end of the line here, and apply to other end of line here. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, on the other side, we still need to copy, but then we're going to use a quadrant. Right. The grid head, press spacebar, and then using the quadrant on the left here, you see this one here, click, and then move it to the end of lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, there you are. So we have a grid head here. So once we have the grid head to all grid lines, then we need to change the texture. So this one here will be A, B, C. And this one will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Okay, let's adjust the text position a bit to make it center. Okay, center of the circle. All right, there you are. So that's there you go. So there is a basic of grid line. So you must remember a grid line is important. Why? Because during constructions, right, and even a discussion, the position of space will be identified with the position of grid line. Example, if let's say we are talking about the space here, so we're going to talk about the line between 1C or 1B, right? Okay, so that's how we work in construction.